Hello friends, welcome to my channel, myself Parag Jambulkar. Up till now, we have seen how to create multiple threads in C or C++ language by using OpenMP API. Also, we have seen how to allocate different work to different threads by using OpenMP sections. In this video, we will see how to synchronize threads in OpenMP. A part of program or block of statements where resources are shared that is called as critical section. In this critical section, when multiple threads try to access same variables, it may lead to race condition. So what do you mean by race condition? Here, multiple threads compete with each other to access shared resources. And because of that, there may be inconsistency in data. For example, here we can see. In this block, we are creating 5 threads. Here you can see. We are creating 5 threads, right? All these threads, they are running simultaneously and they are executing this statement. Now see, all the 5 threads, they are taking value of x and they are incrementing it, right? So there may be situation where some threads, they are accessing same value of x at the same time and they are incrementing it. And because of that, there may be inconsistency of result. So see, what we are expecting, x should get incremented by 5 as we are incrementing it 5 times, right? But few threads may be incrementing at the same time. Because of that, there may be inconsistency of result or there may be unexpected result. Such race condition can be avoided in OpenMP. For that, OpenMP has provided this directive hash pragma omp critical. So look at this. This is our critical section. What do you mean by critical section? Here resources are shared, right? So we are defining this critical section or this block by directive hash pragma omp critical. Now how it will avoid race condition? So see, here only one thread will be allowed to execute these statements at one time instance, and because of that, race condition will be avoided and there will be no inconsistency of data. We will see actual example. Look at this. Here I have opened VS Code. Now look at this. In this program, we are creating 300 threads, right? So to see actual impact of threads, here I have taken bigger number. So see, here we are creating 300 threads. All these threads, they are executing this block, right? And what these threads are doing, they are incrementing value of x. What we are expecting, as there are 300 threads, x should get incremented by 300 times, right? Initially x is equal to 0. After execution of this block, what we are expecting, x should be 300, right? As 300 threads, they are incrementing the value of x, final result should be 300, that we are expecting, right? What result we are getting, that we will see. Look at this. We will compile it. G++ hyphen yup openmp, our program name is openmp5.cpp. Okay, got compiled, no error. Now we will run it. Okay, so see, here we got x is equal to 298, right? Again we will run it. Now 288, now 299, now 295, now 299, again 298, 299, now 296. Every time we are getting different result, right? Why we are getting different result every time? Because some threads, they are executing at the same time, right? Some threads simultaneously, they are taking old value of x and they are incrementing it, and because of that we are getting different result. Here you can see why 299, because two threads, they have incremented the value of x at the same time. Why 298? Because three threads, they have incremented the value of x at the same time, and because of that we are getting different result at different time. Now see, to avoid that, we have to synchronize threads, and in OpenMP, to synchronize threads, we have to use hash pragma omp critical directive. Now look at this. Same example, only one change I have done. So see, I have enclosed this block in curly bracket, and for this block, here I have mentioned directive hash pragma omp critical. Now see, because of that, what will happen? Only one thread will be allowed in this critical section, and because of that, only one thread will increment value of x at one time instant. Now see, we will run it. We will compile it first. OpenMP6.cpp. Okay, got compiled, no error. Now we will run it. Okay, so see here we got answer 300, right? Again we will run it 300. Again we will run it 300, right? So see, every time we are getting result 300, right? In previous case, sometimes we were getting 297, sometimes we got 298, sometimes 299, right? Previously we got different result at different time, but here we are getting result 300. Why? Because for this critical section we have used this directive hash pragma omp critical, and because of this directive only one thread is allowed to execute this block, and by that we have avoided inconsistency, right? So this word file and program code I will provide in my Udemy course. You can download it from the resources. Okay, we will meet in next video. Thank you.